Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover your deleted TikTok messages. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, you need to simply open a TikTok account. So once you have opened it, you need to now simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, simply tap on settings and privacy. Now you still have a 99% chance of recovering your deleted conversation through the option of download your data. So simply tap on the account section and down there you can find an option called download your data. Simply go to there, and once you're here, simply tap on request data, or in the download data section you can simply tap on request data option as well. So once you request it, you need to now be able to find your data being downloaded. So it says when your file is ready for the download, it will be available for 4 days. So if you submit another request, your existing file will expire. So your data will be available for 4 days and you can recover them within the 4 days. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.